Good morning, you lovely lot. I'm feeling much better than I did last night, so thank you for all your lovely comments. It's an old shoulder injury, this one. Every now and then it causes stiffness and what have you over a period of time, and I should have booked into the osteo, and I haven't. And then it goes into muscle tension, and then I usually end up with headaches. But this time it was causing sickness. I was pretty certain that might be what it was. So I spoke to Lee, showed him the kind of where to put the pressure and where to massage, and he really eased it. And whilst he was massaging the shoulders and my neck, the sickness started to fade. So that was what that was, thankfully. What's happening today? 5th of November, which means it is fireworks night, bonfire night. Gunpowder, treason and plot and all that jazz. So we're going to do some fireworks pictures and chat about Guy Fawkes. Becky's probably old enough for me to have a little chat about Guy Fawkes and the story of Guy Fawkes. The others are far too young, so we'll just enjoy a bit of messy paint, I think. Got Leo, Leo, Beth and Finn. Now Harvey, Beth and Finn's hours have changed. So I now, Tuesday and Thursday, only have them during school hours, which means I don't have Harvey very often at all now. I'll only have Harvey on a Wednesday, because on a Wednesday I will take them to school and pick them up. So that's because Dad's job's changed, so Mum's job's changed. Well, ours have changed. So yes, they won't be around before and after school for most of the time. But we'll still have them during the day, so that will be fine. I need some breakfast. Davy's here. Just waiting for Sam and Ollie and Ruby. And then our day will start completely. We are making fireworks paintings, aren't we, Bethy Boo? Yeah. So try another colour. Spread them out, because otherwise it just looks like a big firework in the sky rather than lots of little fireworks. You choose another colour? What colour do you like? Pink. That's it. That's it. Wow, do you want to use a straw? Here's a straw, look. You can do some lines on your picture. Oh yeah, you could try blowing the paint. I don't know if it blows. I don't know how runny it is. You could try it though. Painty spot on the end. You'd have to get closer to your picture to be able to make the paint move though. Wow, lots of sparks coming off your fireworks. Like it. Zooming through the sky. So you think you're going to go and see some tonight?
Yeah.
Wow. Do you like sparklers, the ones you hold and wave? You've got to be very careful with sparklers that you don't touch the hot end, because they can burn you.
Well, here.
The sparkly end, with sparklers, the ones you hold in your hand, you only hold the handle, you don't hold the hot end.
Not that bit. That's the hot.
If that was a sparkler, yeah, it'd be that bit at the end. Because sparklers get very hot, don't they? Have you ever used a sparkler?
Yes, I can't touch them.
Yeah. You're doing fireworks, Finn? Doing fireworks? Boom, boom. Bang, crackle, fizz. Pop. Make lots of sounds of fireworks. Can you say pop? Pop. Pop. Is that good? Ooh. Mixing the colours as well. Is it spiky? Look, you mixed the red and the yellow and you made orange. Orange paint. Your fireworks going boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom, boom. Is that tasty? Strawberries and is that croissant? I think it might be croissant. Yummy, yummy. You guys have got raisins And rabbits. Rabbit crisps, haven't you? Raisins and rabbit crisps out your lunchbox. Tasty. Yeah. I'm about to have my snack. I have a Halloween Satsuma. Meow. Meow. Is Pippa a complete nutter? They're looking at me like, what? How does the paint feel? You get it on the paper? Yeah, look. Oh, look at your handprints. Boop, boop, boop. Boop, 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 boop. Got some more paint? More paint? Yeah, nice feel. What have we done to the paper? Hold on, there we go. That's it, feel the paint. Doesn't that feel nice? Doesn't it feel good? Yay. That's it, and then on the paper, bang, 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 bang. Bang, 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 bang. That's what the fireworks say. Bang, bang, bang. Whiz. Pop. Zoom. Fizz. Pop. Pop. Pop, pop, pop. What about this? More paint? Beth, you look sleepy. Did they play games on fireworks night, Bethy Boo? You look like you're going to go to sleep. Are you tired? Yeah. It's a bit early for sleeps.
Just because everyone else isn't spider, I said. Rufus didn't want to play. Rufus some toys. Rufus just missed. Rufus didn't say.
You're all clean now. You had a rather explosive nappy, didn't you? I got me.
Rufus sat by him.
I got me.
He didn't want to sit with me.
Ah.
Called Charlie. Claire told us the story of Charlie Chan.
Who's that? Who's that?
And he loved cuddling up underneath her warm, feathery tummy.
I like the bit when Charlie Chan is frightened of the outside world. Tell me here's the
I'm getting
chirp,
tired.
but the other tip.
Should we try and get down for a little sleep?
We all chirp like
Are you
Charlie.
tired? Maybe not.
I'm cross too. What was wrong with Rufus?
I think you might be a bit tired.
There's
Can't
nothing.
decide.
He doesn't want
Ah.
cross. Rufus was just.
You see yourself?
I can see my house, not the hall.
I've not gone anywhere. You've got lots of toys. Let me just spend some time with these guys for a minute. Babies do take up a lot of time, don't they, Beth?
Yeah.
They do. How are you doing, mister? You've got an awful lot of things in your box. In your shape sorter. Have you got stickle bricks in there?
Yeah.
Oh, it looks like legs. Have you made legs, Beth? What have you put in there, Finn? You put a car in there. Yeah. With the wheels. With wheels. Can I see? Oh my goodness. Cheeky. Oh, he seems a bit content for a moment. Yeah. More things in your box. Wow, Beth, that's cool. That's really good. Choke up, chicken. I've got Mexican rice, mayonnaise, chopped vegetables, and cheese. You lot have got grapes, And ham wraps. You've dismantled your wrap. And Leo's eaten all of his already. Haven't you, mister? Got to teach life skills when you childmind. Hoover and sweep. Or mop, as the case may be. Are you being mauled, Brendan, by your cousin?
Because this one's broken, so what little force I have to amplify by going pew!
Pew! Yeah, they are getting a little bit...
Here's what one's fine.
Is it Jasper shooting you? Whoa, nearly got his head. Good shot, Jasper.
Mischievous human.
Cheeky, Mama. So we've got sausages, vegetables, potatoes, and you got pizza. Auntie cuddles. Doesn't he make you feel small and looked after when he does that? You just curl up in his arms and go to sleep, couldn't you? Oh, Jasper's got me. Jasper, you're going to be that tall that I can do that to you. Oh, you're wobbling me. Oh. What, the worms have legs?
Yeah.
They do have legs.
Have you reversed? Have a nice one after?
Yes, I did.
Good.
Got a big mouth. Haven't got a very good aim though.
Just like his greens, doesn't he?
He does like his greens. It's about 5:30 and I think I'm going to finish the vlog here because I'm going to go and get in the bath and I can edit it and get it posted whilst I'm here, while I'm in there, should I say. Kenzie's gone to a friend's house, my nephew's now gone home and my sister's gone home. It's been fun, we've had a nice time. We're not going to go and do fireworks tonight because it has rained all day and Spog will get stuck in the field. I know he will. It will just be a swamp with all those cars going on there, and there will be nowhere to park on the road because, well, there is nowhere to park on the road and it will be full. It's a main road through a village, so we can't go and do fireworks, but we do it every single year, so it's not going to hurt. And actually there's going to be so many fireworks that we'll just look out the window and see them. We'll see loads. It just won't be a big display, but that's fine. I really don't want to get cold and wet. So yeah, I'm just going to go and get in the bath. Thank you for watching, you lovely lot, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Tomorrow, actually, I'm only working half a day because I've got a hospital appointment. Just a catch up on how things are going with my Reynards and my weird blood situation. So I'll see you tomorrow.